Let's learn how to navigate through complicated tasks at work. First of all, know the exact goal that you want to reach. Understand your destination very well. Second, break your task down into as many smaller steps as possible so that the independent individual steps do not overwhelm us as much as the complicated task does. Third step would be to take as many breaks but not leaving ourselves entirely out of the task. Keep doing it till you've completed at least 50% of the task. Having completed more than half of the task will help you to be able to motivate yourself to start the next time. However, when we start something very complicated and are not able to do and halfway through take a break without even completing 20% of the task, the chance of us being able to pick them up later is really less, and we might end up pushing it for the last moment. Avoid doing that, and I hope that this might help.